The Philippine Institute of Development Studies listed down the income brackets used to classify families according to socioeconomic class. The think tank attached to the National Economic Development Authority shared this at the Senate budget hearing. Here's the corresponding monthly income a family of 5 needs to fall under a particular class. According to PIDS, low-income families in the Philippines are around 8.4 million, while 7.5 million families could be considered lower middle income.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.